Hey everyone, it's Kelly. I'm going to walk you through today step by step how I cook my chicken casseroles, and I'm going to be showing you two different versions today with ingredients that I've literally found as markdowns. So first up, I found these chicken legs. I'm told that the thigh meat, legs, etc. is better than breast meat because it's a lot fattier and it's a lot juicier, and it will just hold a little bit better. So that's what I'm going to do, and this is a one pot stop meal as well. So into a pan, I'm going to just brown those off on each side for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I cover it with some seasoning. I just grabbed this Tuscan seasoning. I think it's for lamb. I don't know, I'm not a flavor person. I just thought, let's throw something in there. I'm still learning, and plus people complain on TikTok if you don't show flavors, so I've just flavored it. And then you can see here I've just covered it with water and I let it boil for half an hour. Next up, we are going to be putting 300 grams of pumpkin in there. It will just help really thicken it up. I was meal prepping here at the same time, so this is how I bag up the pumpkin and save it. I do 300 grams, whether it's a chicken casserole or it's a beef stew, and then it's there in the freezer ready to go. I also put in 300 grams of sweet potato, and again you can see here I'm meal prepping that, and then I chop up about 3 to 4 carrots, and then I throw all of that into the pot. I cover it again with water and I cook it for another 30 minutes. I add in a packet of chicken noodle soup just because I always have it in the cupboard, and I figure it helps with flavor, and also sometimes the little noodles are very cute inside of it, so why not? It looks good. And then I will have a little dig around and pull out any of the bones or cartilage that's in there, and yeah, I'll just give a really good mix through. You can see the pumpkins help to turn it a beautiful orange base, and here it is in the bowl. You can add a base to it as rice or mashed potatoes, whatever you want, but there is the basis of what it is. Next up, we have some more chicken that is marched down, and I picked up a veggie soup pack for $1. So I'm going to show you pretty much exactly the same thing. I just grabbed the chicken because it was already flavored and I figured it would give it a really good base. So I'm just using half of the packet, and then the rest of it I will bag up and freeze for another meal, and it will be super simple. So again, I just brown the chicken in the pot for about 10 minutes, cover it with water and let it simmer for half an hour. So here is the veggie soup pack, and you can see what's inside of it. My hubby said that he doesn't mind celery if it's inside something, and it broke down pretty easily, so you couldn't even tell it was in there. The onion I just kept to the side because I forgot it was in there, and I'll use it for something else down the track. And then what I did is added in an extra potato and an extra carrot just to help bulk it out. And also I had some frozen pumpkin in the freezer, so I've thrown that in there just to help thicken that sauce a little bit. I covered it again with water and let it boil for another 30 minutes. And here it is. Again, you can put a base of rice, mashed potatoes, or just have it as it is. I hope that you've enjoyed this simple, easy how to cook. If you make it, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.